Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to undo changes in WordPress Elementor. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Elementor editor by going to your WordPress dashboard. From the sidebar, select either Pages or Posts depending on what you want to edit. Find the specific page or post and click on Edit with Elementor. This will launch the editor where you can make changes. Inside the editor, you can add widgets, rearrange sections, or edit text and images. Simply click on the element you want to adjust, and a panel will appear on the left with configuration options. As you make changes, Elementor updates them in real time, letting you see exactly how your edits look. Now, if you make a change and want to reverse it, you can easily undo it. On Windows, press Ctrl and Z, and on Mac, press Command and Z. This quick shortcut will revert the last modification you made, making it simple to test different designs without worrying about mistakes. So that's basically how you can undo changes in WordPress Elementor. That's it for this video. Thanks.